What up, y'all? This is your boy Flossie Carter here to introduce to you this next video test my homeboy did over eSIM Studios. He compared the front-facing selfie video and the rear-facing video quality against the newly released Pixel 8 Pro and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Which device wins? Well, you'll be surprised. Let's go. Run the intro, yo. I love that shit.
Yeah. Woo.
I just need my space right now.
Fresh off the G5 jet, I'm on my way to a brand new kit.
Okay, so now we're on the front-facing cameras and wanting you to get a look at the different samples we have here in the sun and the shade, moving around, walking. Now I'm in the sun. Which one looks better to you? I think the S23 Ultra looks better. Let's go back in the shade. I'm walking. You'll be able to tell if the stabilization, how good each stabilization is, how good each mic is. So we go back in the shade. As we go for a lovely stroll in our dry ass and backyard. But it gives you a good sample of the front-facing camera. Now, as I was describing in my last video, it's not on the new Pixel 8 Pro. You cannot, while you're shooting video, you cannot change from front while you're recording. You cannot change from front camera to back camera to front camera to back camera. On the S23 Ultra, you can. While you're recording video, you can switch to the front to the back to the front to the back. Watch. Front, oh, excuse me, that's back camera, back to selfie. Cameras to the selfie camera. On the Pixel, cannot do that. So, and that's another little added bonus Samsung throws in there with their devices. I'm surprised. The S23 Ultra, I've been doing some testing today, it looks like to me, from the naked eye, got better video quality. But I'll let you be the judge of that. Samsung looks smoother. Alright, now I'm dizzy. Alright, this is a video test. Video test of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the new Pixel 8 Pro. I'm in here in the shade. Cool front just blew through last night. Nice sunny day, windy day. Pretty cool outside, but lots to view on. Now, it's interesting, the shots between the two are pretty different. You get a more natural, I think, a more natural look and video from the Pixel, but the Samsung Galaxy S23, dare to say, looks a little better just because of the contrast between the shadows on the ground and the objects. You got the ground, the shadows, the moving leaves. No microphone connected, just straight voice, straight from the devices. See the different coloring or the lighting in through the leaves, shadows. Different color shades of leaves. This is 1080p at 30 frames per second. As you get close, is there detail? Change the angles, detail. Just take it through different settings, different scenes, different scenarios. Now let's get the zoom in here. Okay, so let's go. We're on 1x right now. Let's go to 2x. This is 3x for the Pixel, 3x for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Honestly, it looks better on the S23 Ultra from where I'm standing. The tree, that second tree, not the one on the left, but the one in the middle, is more detailed on the S23 Ultra. Actually, let's do that home. Looks like there's more detail on the S23 Ultra. Let's go to 5x on the Pixel. Let's go to 5x on the S23 Ultra 5.0. Let's look at the tree. Let's look at the fence. The grass, there's more detail in the Pixel. Fence, possibly Pixel. Although the home looks better on the S23. Now let's go to 10x on the S23. Let's go to 10x on the Pixel. That is 10x. It looks better on the S23. That's for sure. No question. Look at the detail in the siding of the home. Look at the details of the S23 on the roofing, shingles, the vents on the top. Just more detail on the S23 Ultra. Let's go back to that tree. S23 Ultra, better on the tree. The fence looks better on the S23 Ultra. So it looks like to me the S23 Ultra still got better video quality, exceptional video quality when you zoom in. Is there a home with brick? Oh, there's a home. Yeah, my hands are starting to hurt. So let's look at the brick. We're still on 10X. What do y'all think? That's the first tree right here, right in front of me. Let's go to the second tree. That's the second tree. Let's go back to that home. Anyway, this is 10X. 20X. My hand hurts. 20X. Now let's go to 20X. Where the hell am I? Let's go to the house. Let's go to the roof. Looks better on the S23 Ultra still. Huh. Fence. Where's that tree? You gotta move slow. There we go. 20X. 20X. Looks better on the S23 from where I'm at. Let's go back to the bricks. Well, there's that tree. There's the tree closest to us. S23 looks better. Yeah, S23 is hard to beat. And I'm talking about the Ultra. The cameras have improved so much over the last couple of years. It's absolutely amazing. This S23 Ultra is beating the Pixel at video quality. That's amazing. Look at the video quality of the bricks compared to the bricks on the Pixel. The bricks on the Pixel are fuzzed out at 20x zoom. The bricks on the S23 Ultra are pretty good detail. I'm just amazed at what Samsung has done with this device over the last few years. Used to struggle in video and picture quality and wouldn't even come near to the Pixels. I'm talking about Pixel 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with this 6, 7, 8, last 3 years, Samsung has just blown away. I'm blown away at the quality they've been getting. So, back to me. Can I reverse this one on the Pixel, or I gotta stop it? Damn, you can't, in video, you can't reverse the video from front camera to back camera. On the S23 Ultra, watch this. Back camera, front camera. Camera. And nowhere on this Pixel can you, damn it, nowhere on the Pixel can you, while you're shooting video, there's nowhere in the settings or on-screen settings that allows you to change camera angles or sensors from the front to the back without pausing or stopping your video. You can do that in real-time recording. You can change from the front camera to the back camera, to the front camera to the back camera while it's recording video. Pixel cannot do that. You got to stop your video, you got to switch cameras, and then continue recording. So, this S23 Ultra is hard to beat, man. This is a beast of a phone, I'm telling you. Now, one thing that has annoyed me with Pixel is the click. When it goes from digital zoom to optical zoom, or optical to digital, there is a click in the video. Let's see if I can get it. Let's see if I can get it to click. It will go 5.